35 can't remember a pit in the Durham coalfield. So it's easy to just like airbrush that out of history. We'll learn about other aspects of history, which is fine. But I think it's vitally important that people know where they come from, what the area was about, what built the area, what built the country.
Hetton Lyons Country Park, as many of you will already know, spans the sites of the old Hetton and Hetton Collieries. Following major regeneration work completed by Sunderland City Council, the area has been transformed from an industrial landscape into an environmental gem. The park's southern fringe marks the course of the historic 1822 Hetton Colliery Railway, designed by George Stephenson, the world's first purpose-built steam-powered railway.
I've got however many generations from this area, and it's nice to be able to do something to represent the past of the area. Like, it's something that should be more recognised, I think.
We never got told about the history when we were kids. We got told about King Arthur burning the cakes and King Harold getting his eye put out, but we never talked about places like this, places that were built by people like us.
Well, it would be nice if they sort of took an interest in the reason why it's there, and sort of asked questions and found out the history of the place for themselves.